How to highlight in PDF. Hello everyone, this is Sabjina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your browser and then search for I love PDF. Open the website. So basically this website will make you able to edit any PDF and will make any PDF editable. So what you will have to do is search for edit PDF option, select the PDF file, upload it, and then it will be converted to an editable document. From there you can easily highlight text in your PDF. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.